Donald Trump. Yeah, 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 Donald Trump. Yeah. I like white folks, but I don't like you. All the in the hood wanna fight you. Surprise the nation of Islam ain't tried to find you. Have a rally out LA, you know what's up. Home of the ride and King Ride, we don't give a. Black students ejected from your rally. What? I'm ready to go right now, your racists did too much. I'm about to turn Black Panther. Don't let Donald Trump win that cancer. He too rich, he ain't got the answers. He can't make decisions for this country, he gon' crash us. No, we can't be a slave for him. He got me appreciating Obama way more. Hey Donald, and everyone that follows, you gave us your reason to be president, but we hate yours. Donald Trump.